enjoy this cute video of Donald eating chicken. Tell me where you got that?
I dug that out of the trash on the plaza, just for Donald. Donald. Donald.
That was in the trash.
That was in the trash. Marley gets that one. Donald gets the rest.
Aww.
Oh, poor Donald. Poor Donald.
It's so much better than digging through the trash as a stray cat. Having humans dig through the trash for you. My boyfriend went to the Arcata Plaza in Arcata, California, and he found this in the trash. Were you looking for recycling?
No.
You were looking for food?
Just looking in the trash.
What's this?
A ham. Pre-cooked ham.
Oh my gosh,
whole
the cats
ham.
will be so happy.
Yeah, I got Donald the ham.
You can't put ham on my counter.
He's got a full belly.
Donald's got a full belly now. Please like this video, share this video, and watch my other videos on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.